were good, considering the understanding that we have with Julius Berger. We signed off that in 36 months this project will be done and delivered. And with what we're seeing, they are meeting up that target. I think I'm okay. Although we have a few issues, price rate at that time and presently, but whatever it is, I'll assure them that we'll give them all the necessary support to make sure that we deliver. This project is very important to us. It's one of the first things that I signed off when I came in as the governor of the state. It's a signature project for me, whichever way anybody wants to look at it. We signed up for it, we're paying dearly for it, and it's one of the objectives of this administration to make sure that we deliver it to our people.
I think we went along the future alignment of the road. We could see several spots where we are working. Is it on U-channels? Is it on the road construction, or even on the two flyovers? Over Easter, we will start with the laying of the first beams of one of the flyovers. On the other flyover, we will finish drilling. We are using 2 drilling rigs to complete the piling, and then we are moving to the third flyover already. So you can see the first flyover we started on the 15th of January. 2 months later, we will start already laying of the beams. So we are on track. We are on schedule, as we promised, His Excellency. And I'm really satisfied with the work, with my team, of course, and also I'm very satisfied with His Excellency for his support, and that we had the opportunity today to inspect together, to discuss also challenges, for example, compensation, relocation. But he assured me that everything will be done.
Sorry. Okay, what happened was, we went this other way.
Yes, instead of
ordinarily we will have.
Yes.
Because that this other side is
not too. Sorry for. Then.
Walking on that. Yes. The man of the people just
The project manager is coming in and give some explanations.
Working in line with the line of the masses, not individual influence. We respect you so much. For the fact that you belong to the masses will support you to the end of the day. We are for you, and the masses is still working for you. We respect you. We are happy for you.
Good day, I won't go to.
15th of January. February, March, 2 months ago we started, and it's fast. Yeah, it's very fast. And in Easter we will start laying the beams.
So what are we doing this other side of the road?
We started in front, but this is an area where we have small challenges with compensation and relocation at the moment. But we are focusing more on this direction to the next flyover in Rumuosi. There's one here, 80 meter away, this road down, it's Rumuosi, so we want to finish one stretch in a row. So we are working at the moment at 2 at the same time. Piling, as you will see when we are going there, piling in Rumuosi is going on, and then we will move to a neck.
Good progress.
Yeah. As I mentioned at the beginning, we had some challenges with the design, also compensation, relocation, but we are working in several spots to meet the target of 3 years. And I think that for now we are on track. Even on the beginning, that small delay that we can compensate.
I think I'm impressed.
His Excellency, we respect you because of man of the people, and the people are there to speak in your paper to support you any day, anytime, anywhere. We respect you. Digital scene. here for you anywhere, anytime, anywhere. The masses are supporting you.
I'm from Ebeda, what the level.
You push come.
No, you go. Yeah, first.
Piling rigs to work simultaneously, and after this comes the next one to start. So it's one after the other one, and if this one kind of works, we will do so I think that we are really on track at that time. And we're using still, let me say, the dry season is not, when the rainy season is coming soon, it has started already, but we're using now the dry season to really push, especially in the crossworks. We're coming out of the month, that we are able also to work with sand in the rainy season. Most important, that's where we are starting with the drainage there. The drainage is something because the drainage is the biggest point. So if we have done the blinding in the channels, then we are out of the water, and then we can do the sand filling in the rainy season. That helps us.
You see these two piling machines, 24-meter deep. Sorry.
Those two.
Yes, one each, and then they do 6 piles every day, every one, and it's 24-meter deep. It's really, because it's a huge bridge.
Yep.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.